How many miles?
7,900. You look under the hood, you can tell, baby.
Yeah.
This thing is clean, boy.
So we got this gorgeous 2012 Z06 in today. What well is this getting done to it, Eric?
Just getting our stage 3 package. Yeah, this thing's super nice. Very clean. Got 7,000 miles on it. My favorite color in the C6 Z06, personally, white. You don't see as many as you would think. Any guesses for you?
I'm gonna guess 3 above you. I'm gonna go 472.
Okay, I usually guess 469 or 472, but I think this thing's gonna make more than that. I'm gonna go 485.
Okay.
Just because it's low mileage, 2012, I don't know, I just got a feeling.
What is the lowest mile C6Z you've worked on?
I just did one recently in a video we did. It had 1,200 miles on it, but it wasn't even near as clean as this car. Almost 8,000 miles on it. Yeah, that one you'll see in the video. We talked about it. It looked like it was sitting under the ocean for a few years.
Jesus.
Just because it had 1,200 miles on it didn't mean anything. I was like, it was rough. Here comes Bill. Bill, what's the lowest mileage C6 Z06 I've done?
That red one.
That was it, huh?
Yeah.
What, like 100 miles on it? One of them, I remember one of the red ones I did a while ago with having like really super low miles.
You want me to give you a hug too?
No, I don't.
I just had.
No, don't do that.
Oh, I might tip it.
Yes, it could hold you, but that thing
trust the lift?
falls back on you and you get killed. It will not only kill you, it might kill me, it might kill Garrett, it might kill Bill.
Bill's probably the
Probably kill Bill exactly when it smashes you. Not very smart. Not a smart thing.
I just feel like hanging.
Would it hang? Would, yes. You probably would hold it. Just because there's more weight in the front, but yeah, I wouldn't do it. I mean, I just don't know why you don't even know why you would think of doing it.
I don't know, it's just so comfortable.
Just to fill the camera in on what's going on. Matt's trying to sell his Mustang on Facebook. And he didn't recognize it on Facebook, and I'm sitting there messaging him about buying his Mustang.
Tell me when that's about to fall off. There it is. Right there. Yeah, I'm gonna be like, yo, Matt. I'm gonna be like, yo, Matt, my friend Garrett over here said he just messaged you about his car. He's interested. So I'm gonna be like, Frank, can Garrett borrow your trailer tonight?
That's good.
He's interested in some Mustang.
Yeah, yes, exactly. Just don't say it directly to Matt. Just go, yeah, Garrett's going to buy some Mustang. Around 5 or 6.
Oh my god.
He's rubbish, bro.
Cannot believe you didn't put 2 and 2 together. One of the first things I do on Marketplace if somebody messages me about something is look at their profile.
Oh, I do that
Just so I know like that I'm not like dealing with some like idiot. Or like, you know, fake,
like a fake
profile
or something. Yeah. We're having a really fun day today. Whole morning's been great. He just sent me the address.
Huh?
He just sent me the address.
No.
Look at him over there.
Wow, he is gonna be like, what the fuck?
I'm gonna respond. Oh, okay, I'll be there with a trailer and 4,000 at 5.
No. You gotta say, okay, I gotta ask my boss if I can use this trailer. I get off at 5.
I'm not gonna.
Yeah,
no.
you got to.
I want to reveal it in person though, so we can make sure it goes to action on camera. You know what? I'm gonna text you now.
Yeah. I'm not sure he'll let me use it because I just started here this week.
So I just responded to him, okay, cool, let me ask my boss if I can use his trailer. I get off at 5. I'm not sure if he'll let me use it because I just started here.
You did say that.
I should go walk up to Frank and ask him.
On camera.
I gotta wait till he reads it though.
Wait, there's those manifolds. Ow. You're not gonna believe this. There's a guy coming to my parents' house tonight to pick up the Mustang. Wait for it. I mean, how the hell does he not put 2 and 2 together when he's literally just at us back?
He just
He's like, I haven't had much action on the Mustang lately. The guy messaged me this morning, and then 5 minutes after he tells us that story, somebody texts him and tells him they're coming to get it right now. He's either that dumb or he's playing you.
Maybe. I'll be disappointed if he's playing me.
That'll be pretty funny.
That would also be funny.
But the fact that I heard Fran over there, like, tell him 4,500. Oh my god, here he comes.
Okay, guys, just checking this one. You read it. What's going on, Matt?
Not much.
Hey, Fran. Is there any possibility I could borrow your trailer? I'm going to buy a Mustang later this afternoon.
You worked here for a week, bro. The trailer ain't a drone using it. You all have that. What the fuck are you buying a Mustang for?
What?
Oh my god, he really is.
You're such a
Oh my god!
oh my god!
I literally said that! Me and Bill are over there, and Bill's like, you gotta get this on recording. And I literally, he sent the text message, he goes, yeah, I had to ask my boss if I can use the trailer because I've only been working here for a week. And he still doesn't put 2 and 2 together.
Why would I don't, who the f looks at the news?
You had his hopes really high up.
Oh, well, it's kind of funny.
That's so funny.
I'm sorry, Matt.
You're that's like strike 6 for me, man. I'm done with you.
I still can't believe
That was fucking awesome.
Why the f are you buying a Mustang?
I thought that would have been it right there.
I know. I thought when he said that, I was like, what?
That's like Jared was like, are you serious?
God, we thought we were going to get you with the 2,500 mark.
I'm going to sit the down. You guys got me so pissed off. So there's no Gatorade for
There is. Every single one, actually, asshole. He literally just said to you, I'm going to Harbor Freight. See ya. He literally looked you in the face and said that.
Alright, bye guys.
Smoke drugs!
What kind of drugs you smoke, Matt?
You name it, he's smoking it.
Crack.
Heroin.
I thought you injected heroin.
From this green earth.
Can you even smoke heroin?
You can smoke anything.
Do you any special drugs in your...
Are we on video? Yeah. No comment. Let me just say all the stuff they tell you is bad in health class isn't as bad as it.
How's this thing coming? Where are you at with it?
Camera's in and that's about it. Going back together. Just pull the rack up.
kind of piecing it back together now. It's cam, so.
This thing, what is it baseline low though, isn't it?
460.
Yeah.
I mean, you know what kind of guy. I mean, you know I love Donovan McNabb, but you know what kind of guy he was.
Donovan McNabb sucked.
Yeah, okay. The best Eagles quarterback to ever play. Did you just hear what he said? He said it's because he played with better players. The worst Eagles teams we've had. We had that guy as our quarterback. We just had this conversation.
Yeah, no, this is a guy that bought our package, like our heads cam package. He has C6Z, and I remote tuned it for him. And I guess they own a cookie company, which is called Dough My God Cookies, which is a great name.
They're my girl.
So you'll have to go to doughmycookies.com, I'm assuming. He told us he'd send us some, and oh my goodness.
I'm making some raw flavors.
Holy shit.
Oh, this is a chocolate sea salt.
There's no way that's one cookie.
Yes, that's one cookie.
Oh,
This is a panty dropper.
Oh, gee, they
Yeah,
got
these
that.
things look ridiculous.
Made in a.
This one's just called Tiny.
Holy shit. Chocolate sea salt.
Yeah, my man hooked us
got
up.
flavor all
Cupid.
It's got matte written all over it.
Yeah, no, this one has me written all over. Little rainbow sprinkles, birthday suit. Oh my goodness. Chocolate, another chocolate. Yeah, Dough My God, it's such a great name. Here, look.
Simply the best.
Yeah, there's the
It's probably a lemon.
the website.
Oh, this got Kit Kats in it. Pretzels.
Dude, we gotta break
Damn.
this open.
Eric, that sounds like you right there.
That's a lemon, probably. It's zest. You got fresh lemon juice, lemon zest. Cupid. Strawberry. Red fruit
Oh my, dude, that is a cookie and
That is a monster
Yeah, I think
of a
it's
cookie.
That's a cake.
Oh!
What?
There's a f***ing vanilla
That's the Oreo
Oreo
I'm talking
inside of
about.
it.
Oh my God.
We were talking about them vanilla Oreos this morning. Matt's never had one.
I think I'm gonna try this panty dropper.
I need to try one before I leave.
Yo, this is good. You wanna try this?
This is peanut butter.
Ooh, lemon. Ooh, I can't do that.
You can't do lemon?
Oh my god, good.
Yeah,
Literally
Cupid.
tastes like it came out of the oven 10 minutes.
Yeah, it does. This is very ridiculously good.
Fashion oats, cinnamon.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What is a wide?
And everyone else needs to go buy some of these because this is good.
I mean, Eric backed in the cars before.
He hates when I bring that up. Yeah, I could have just left him out there. I love busting out Eric's balls because he actually thought I was going to fire him. I felt so bad. I know, dude. I know, I felt so bad, dude.
Yeah, you had a bad day.
Yeah, he did.
I was about to go on vacation the next week too.
Yeah, I
remember?
know, dude.
And I'm like, oh
You
my
were
God.
bugging out.
Yeah, you were like, my vacation's ruined.
I'm like, Eric, bro, relax. I'm not going to fire you. You didn't mean to do it. Like, it f***ing happens, yeah. Oh, you backed the vet into the Camaro, not the other way around.
Yes, that was it, right?
Yeah, because he was on his third time to try and get the steering wheel straight.
Yeah. That's
Sure, well,
I brought you out and you're like, oh my God. You just turned it around.
This thing just about wrapped up.
It's getting there.
There he is.
Yeah, I got a Herman fridge.
did you really?
That last piece of that last piece of grotto.
What a scumbag.
Isn't he? Garrett was just telling me how he was going to take that home for dinner.
Not to mention the guy that took the last slice of grottos is the one that always talks about grottos.
That's true. That is very true.
This is open. Just for the remote. Yeah, Bob a while. All right, added a little fuel. Now we're ready.
less there. 613, 540 torque, a little more torque. I mean, the tune's pretty much spot on. It was just like 13.1 earlier, and it's 12.8 there. It's pretty stout though for stage 3. 460 this thing baseline. Forgot I checked. So yeah, it's up 155. The last one we just did, I think, picked up 146 or something like that. So right on par. $620, $541, which is about all this thing's gonna make. The tune is like spot on right now. I'm adding a little fuel to one part down low, but other than that, I mean, it is damn near perfect. I'm gonna flash this in, then let this thing cool for probably a half hour, and then make a final pull, and then we'll be done. All right, final pulls on this thing. It's been about 30 minutes actually, maybe 20 something, 25 maybe. I mean, oil's still 142 degrees, so not too cold. $622, $540. I'm gonna do another one just back to back. $619, $537, so good enough for me. Thing is donezo. Stout power, good torque on a stage 3 car, and this thing is sick. That's it. On to the next.